cars stuck down there.
Okay, well, everybody else seems to be making it. Look at that. The police are blocking off Kelly up that way, too.